Sediment buildup in your toilet can totally wreck flushing, but fixing it is easier than you think. So, first off, check the rim holes under your toilet bowl's edge where water sprays out. They get clogged with mineral deposits, so grab a wire hanger or a small brush and clear those out. Next, pour a cup of white vinegar around the rim and let it sit for a few hours to break down the gunk. While you wait, look at the trapway, the curved path inside the toilet that water flows through. If that's blocked, pouring a mixture of vinegar and baking soda down there can help loosen stuff up. Don't forget to flush a couple of times after soaking to rinse everything out. If the problem sticks around, try scrubbing with a toilet brush dipped in a stronger vinegar solution. Also, using a pumice stone gently on stubborn spots can work wonders without scratching the surface. Keeping up with this routine every few months will keep your toilet flushing like new. One of the biggest problems folks face with sediment buildup causing poor flushing is ignoring regular cleaning, which lets minerals pile up and block water flow. Fix this by setting a monthly cleaning schedule. Another common issue is only cleaning the bowl surface and skipping rim holes and trapway, so make sure you get those hidden spots too. Lastly, using harsh chemical cleaners can damage your toilet's finish and plumbing, so stick to natural solutions like vinegar that are safe and effective. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to tackle issues like toilet sediment buildup. It also supports contractors by connecting them with people looking for reliable home repair services.